In this video, you will learn how to add and assign responsibilities to users and institutions on the Sendai Framework Monitor system. As a coordinator, the first step for monitor setup is to enter institutions that will be using the system in your country. On the main page, click on the button Admin. Here you can add various ministries, departments, and agencies that will participate in data collection, data entry, and validation. For example, we will add the National Disaster Management Office and Ministry of Health here. Once you have created institutions, scroll down to add users. Users will act on behalf of each institution you have created and will play different roles. Refer to video 2.3 of Module 2 to understand the various roles of coordinator, contributor, validator, and observer. Click on New User and fill in title, first and last name, email, and select institutions and roles. It is possible for users to be given multiple roles on the monitor system. For example, a user can be both a contributor and a validator at the same time, which can be useful for government agencies with small numbers of staff and resources. It is important to have created institutions first, as you need institutions to select before being able to create users. Click Save and continue to create all users involved in your country reporting in this way. Coordinators can come back at any time to add more institutions and users. Please note, only UNDRR can create coordinators. If you wish to have more than one coordinator, please contact the UNDRR office in your region to create another. The next step for the coordinator is to assign responsibilities to the various institutions. Hover over the button Global Targets and select Setup. On this page, you will be able to assign responsible institutions for each target or each individual indicator. The title, owner of the data, is a name given to the primary focal point responsible for the collection and reporting of that target or indicator data, while you can also add multiple institutions as additional contributors of the respective data. For example, the owner of the data on deaths and missing persons for Target A may be the NDMO, and an additional contributor may be the Ministry of Health or the Police Department.